Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link YouTube Premium with YouTube Kids. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your YouTube Kids and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. If you have set up parental security, then you will have to do the maths here. Now your settings is opened. Tap on YouTube Premium option. After tapping on it, option for entering password will be available. You have to enter it in order to be able to add this into YouTube Premium family plan as a child. After doing that, you will have to type your child name, enter their age and birth month. Now you have to select their content type. It is recommended to select the option according to their age. Now skip ahead and then back to YouTube Kids feeds. Your account is now linked with YouTube Premium. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.